Today I'm going to show you how to change the font of your blog post headings in Wix. This is a great way to create a consistent professional look across all your blog posts and make sure your headings match your overall website branding. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with a few options. From here, click on Website. This will take you to the main website management area where you can control all aspects of your site. From this page, you'll see the website settings displayed. Make sure that this is the correct website you want to work on, especially if you manage multiple sites. It's important to double-check this before making any changes to avoid editing the wrong site by mistake. Now locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon and is pretty easy to spot. Click on this button to open the Wix website editor. This is where all the visual customization happens, and you'll spend most of your time here when adjusting design elements like fonts, colors, and layouts. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. The first thing we need to do is select the blog page we want to customize. Look at the page drop-down menu on the top left corner of your screen. From here, select Blog. This ensures you're working on the right page and that any changes you make will apply specifically to your blog section. You'll now be directed to your blog page. From your blog page, simply click on a blog section. When you do this, you'll see several customization options appear. From these options, click on Settings. This opens up a dedicated area where you can fine-tune how your blog looks and functions. Once you click on Settings, a small blog customization window will appear on the right side of your screen. From here, click on Design, then click on Posts. This section is specifically dedicated to controlling the visual appearance of your blog posts, including fonts, colors, and layout styles. Under the Posts Customization section, locate the title style and color option. Click on the T icon next to it. This opens up a font picker window where you can change the font for every heading you have in each of your blog posts. This is a powerful feature because it allows you to make the font style uniform across all your blog content, ensuring a cohesive and polished look throughout your site. And that's it. You've successfully changed the heading font for your Wix blog posts, giving your blog a more customized and professional appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.